Hey guys, Striple here, welcome to the channel. Today I wanna do a little update for you. What the hell are you doing, guys? With a phone in his hand, idiot. I wanna do a small update. I bought my bike some Christmas presents. He's on the phone. Look at him. Going to the right, going to the left. Boah. There are no cycle pads here. That's... Yeah, don't mind me, girl. Act like a cyclist. Sure, mate. What the hell is that? It's a car rush, I hope. Yoppie. Popie, yoppie, yeah. Yep. Dat kunnen we. Oh, ai. Woe. Nu weet ik waar ik zit, jongen. Hey, schiet daar hier voor mij in. Halve zot. Nu weet ik waar ik zit. Haha. Dan lacht hij hem. Je mogen zeggen. Dat dan niet gezien, ze? De Boris. Kind of girl getting no love from me, hanging on passenger side of my best friend's ride. Try to holler at me, I don't want no script. Oh. Scheur aan de kant, zeg hem.